welcome back to this practical session. Okay, you already have seen in the previous videos that how we have installed Python on Mac. So this video is just about installing Python on the Linux platform. Okay, so what you need to have already before this installation, I can show you right here. Okay, so you already have to have some Ubuntu machine with 20.04 version. It doesn't matter that you are having Ubuntu machine on VirtualBox, VMware, or in cloud environment. It will work fine. Okay, the second thing is, maybe if some of you watching this video from a corporate environment or corporate companies, you need to remove your proxy or VPN connection, or you can just disconnect that proxy. Otherwise, normal broadband or hotspot Wi-Fi internet connection will be fine. Okay, so just if you have already your Ubuntu, open your terminal and follow this process whatever we have written here. So I have my Ubuntu terminal already. This is my VirtualBox terminal, and first of all I have to do an update if this is my first time machine. Okay, I can cross check that which version I have. So I have around 20.04, right? For sure. So sudo apt update. This is just updating internet repository in Ubuntu machine. I can just make it as small like this. It may take few seconds depending on internet connection. Now the second step is adding a software property that is required for installing any software in Ubuntu in general. Okay, so sudo is nothing, it's a root power, apt is an installer. Although we have a separate video about all these small commands in Ubuntu, so don't worry about that. And now finally I am adding an online repository from where we can install any version of Python. Okay, so it may take some seconds. Okay, now it's all right. Finally, just sudo apt install. Let's say if I want to install Python 3.8, here it is written 3.x, so I want to install 3.8. okay, it's saying already installed, so maybe I can try with 3.9. yes, so it is getting installed, so possibly yes, all set. I'm making it clear, and let me type Python 3. yes, it is 3.8, and if you talk about 3.9, maybe I can type Python 3.9. yes, so 3 is 348, 349, so whatever we will be using, you can use that version. Okay, so it's very simple to use and install Python in Ubuntu, and you have seen that. By any chance, if you have some query, do connect us over Discord channel, you know that the link. Okay, so thank you so much guys for this one. See you.